Good evening, everybody. Well, I was looking back at my last video when I posted that, and it was like September 30th, I think. So over a month and a half ago. I can't believe how fast time has flown by. So it is high time to get you updated on the 140. Let's do it. All right, so a month and a half ago, I had just finished up the cockpit work for the most part. Got a couple little things left to go yet, but I pulled the engine off, bead blasted the engine mount and repainted it. And then I had started pulling the engine apart, and man, we have come a long ways since then, just in a month and a half. So let me get you up to speed on some of the things I've done. All right, so all I have left to do on the engine is there's one wire that connects to the starter solenoid, if you can see that right here, that right there. That goes to the starter button inside the cockpit. I've got to get that installed, and then the exhaust shrouds need to get put on yet, and the heater hose is hooked up. That is it for the engine. Man, we've made good progress. So, been lots of fun. It's almost there. Well, that's it for tonight. Thanks so much for watching. You can find us on both Facebook and YouTube. Just simply search for Hebert Aviation. It's all one word, and there we are. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to us, and as always, if you want to see some other part of the project here, something else that I've already done, give me some comments. I'd love to make another video for you. It's no problem. See you next time. Bye.